Hello children, hello friends. Today I am back with a new recipe, colorful recipe, jelly fruit cake. These are the ingredients for that. You can make it with whatever fruits available for you. I've got the fruits available here with me now. To start with, okay, watermelon, guava, banana, apple, orange, cherry, pomegranate, kiwi, grapes, papaya, and muskmelon. And you need sugar or whatever type of sugar you need, you can use, and some lemon juice and mango juice.
Small.
Let's start now. I'm taking a vessel. Now I'm using gelatin here. Yeah, this is the main thing, gelatin. You can use agar powder if you want it to be plant based. This is good for the bones and for arthritis and stuff. So if you're okay with this, you can use the gelatin powder. Let's start the recipe now. You need take half a glass of water and pour it in whatever bowl you are going to mix it. And sprinkle the gelatin powder and let it bloom for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to heat up the remaining 1.5 cups of water. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of sugar to this. Let it dissolve. So you can see the transparency in this as it blooms. You can mix it up. You have to dissolve it properly. Only then it will set very well. Now the sugar has dissolved. There are a few granules there. Ah, see, it's dissolved very well. Now I'm adding to this gelatin. Okay, it's very well dissolved. Now let's start making the fruit cake. So take whatever bowl you want to arrange the fruits in. Hmm. Still it hasn't dissolved properly. I poured a little bit this, and now I'm arranging the fruits. Now I'm mixing the lemon juice to this mixture so that it gives a good flavor. The apple. You can take colorful fruits, whatever is available. If you have strawberries, it will look even better and taste good also. This is papaya and some pomegranates. And this is muskmelon. I have bananas. If it's a mango season, you can use mangoes. They taste really good. Only what pineapple you cannot use. Any other fruits you can use. Because pineapple doesn't allow it to set properly. That's enough. Now I'm going to pour the remaining syrup. As this is enough. It's almost to the top. I'm leaving some space for the orange, for a different color layer. Now I'm going to leave it in the fridge to set it for 5 minutes, because only if it is a little bit firm, then you can put the another layer on top of it, so that doesn't mix. Okay, so this transparent jelly is ready now. It isn't firm now yet, but it's slightly set. I Since I heated the liquid a bit too much, it took a long time to set. You have to just warm it till the sugar dissolves. Now I'm going to get the second layer, which is the mango juice. Making with the mango juice to give a different color to this and a flavor. Just take half of this and add 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can add how much ever you want. If you want it less sweet, you can add little less, or if you want little more, you can have more. Now the rest of the juice I'm adding here, and a tablespoon of gelatin. You have to let it bloom, and by the time this sugar is, you have to heat up a little bit, just a bit warm. That's it. And you can keep stirring to dissolve. Don't heat it too much. Now this has bloomed. Now stir it a bit too, so that the gelatin dissolves completely. Now I'm adding this syrup to this. It's dissolved completely now. Now we can add it to this slowly. You can add whatever flavor you want. You can add orange juice, or you can any juice of your choice you can choose. If you give a contrasting color, it will look good. Now you have to let it um, leave it in the fridge to set for 4 hours, and then let me show you after 4 hours. I'll show you how it comes out of this container and how to cut it. Thank you.